How do I use Notability for digital note-taking? If you are curious about how to use Notability for digital note-taking, you are in for a treat. This app is designed to help students like you organize and create notes efficiently. Let's break down how to get started and make the most of its features. First, you will need to download and install Notability on your iPad, iPhone, or Mac. Once you open the app, tap the plus icon to create a new note. You can choose from various paper styles, such as lined, grid, or blank pages, based on your preferences. Now, let's talk about writing and drawing notes. You can use the Apple Pencil or your finger to write, draw, or annotate directly on the digital page. Notability provides smooth and fast ink rendering, making your handwriting feel natural. You can also sketch diagrams or highlight important points using different pen colors and thicknesses. Another great feature is the ability to annotate documents. You can import PDFs, presentation slides, or images into Notability. This allows you to circle key information, cross out irrelevant parts, or add margin notes. This is especially handy for reviewing study materials or marking up assignments. Keeping your notes organized is essential. You can group notes into subjects or categories to maintain order. Using dividers and folders helps separate different classes or projects. The search function allows you to find keywords within your notes quickly, saving you time during study sessions. One of the standout features of Notability is the ability to link audio recordings. You can record lectures or meetings directly within the app. The audio recordings sync with your written notes, so tapping a part of your notes plays the corresponding audio. This feature is great for reviewing complex information or catching details you might have missed. Notability also includes artificial intelligence features that can create instant summaries, quizzes, and flashcards from your notes. These tools support active recall and review, making your study sessions more effective. Sharing and collaborating with others is easy too. You can share your notes via email, cloud services, or export them as PDFs. You can also check out the Notability gallery to see how others organize and design their notes, which can inspire your own note-taking style. For practical applications, during lectures, use the audio recording feature while taking handwritten notes to capture everything accurately. Annotating PDFs of textbooks or assignments directly in Notability keeps all your materials in one place. You can also use the AI-generated quizzes and flashcards to prepare for exams efficiently. Organizing your notes by subject and topic streamlines your review sessions. By combining handwriting, typing, audio, and artificial intelligence tools, Notability offers a comprehensive platform for digital note-taking. This makes it a powerful tool for students looking to improve their study organization and retention.